Imagine managing 500 vehicles and knowing exactly where every truck is, how much fuel it's using, whether a driver is speeding, and even predicting an engine failure before it happens. This isn't the future anymore. Welcome to IoT Fleet Monitoring in 2026. IoT Fleet Monitoring is a smart system that connects vehicles using GPS, IoT sensors, cloud platforms, and AI analytics. Instead of waiting for reports, businesses receive real-time fleet monitoring data every second. Vehicle location, engine health, fuel usage, driver behavior, maintenance alerts. Everything is visible from one centralized dashboard. Every vehicle collects data through GPS devices, telematics systems, OBD or CAN bus sensors. That information is securely sent to a cloud-based fleet management platform. AI continuously analyzes the data to detect unusual patterns. For example, a truck begins consuming more fuel than normal. Another driver brakes aggressively every day. An engine temperature starts rising before a breakdown. Instead of reacting after problems happen, companies act before they become expensive. That's the real power of AI-powered fleet management. Companies are adopting IoT fleet management in 2026 because it helps them. They can track every vehicle in real time. They reduce fuel costs, they improve driver safety, they optimize delivery routes, they schedule predictive maintenance, they increase vehicle uptime, they lower operational costs. Whether it's logistics, construction, public transport, commercial fleets, or even electric vehicles, IoT improves efficiency across every operation. Modern fleets are no longer powered by GPS alone. They're combining AI analytics, predictive fleet maintenance, cloud-based dashboards, 5G connectivity, EV fleet monitoring, route optimization, and automated reporting. The result? Smarter decisions with less downtime and lower costs. The companies winning in 2026 aren't just tracking vehicles. They're using data to predict problems, optimize operations, and make every mile more profitable. That's why IoT fleet monitoring is becoming the backbone of modern fleet management.